Sweet. I'm so excited to bring you guys this absolutely wonderfully delicious Danish butter cookie recipe. And today's video we're going to learn how to use a kitchen scale, and I'm going to be having a giveaway on my next upload of this kitchen scale, so make sure you subscribe with notifications so you don't miss this wonderful giveaway plus many more that's to come. Today's video is going to be the Danish butter cookies. I'm going to show you step by step how to make them. I'm going to show you how to weigh the ingredients, so we'll also demonstrate how to use a kitchen scale. So you're going to get a little bit of basic baking knowledge today as well. Please subscribe to the Sugary Sweet with notifications, and if you need to contact me for any reason, you can find all that information in the description box as well as my social media. Hey everybody, stick around because I'm going to have a giveaway of this particular digital scale. And I got this. You find more information about this digital scale in the description box. And this is a digital scale set. So let's check it out. So it comes with 2 bowls. And it comes with 3 measuring cups. I had to cut that. So it's a third a cup, a half a cup, and 1 cup measuring cups. There aren't any measuring lines or anything like that on the inside of stuff. It has a nice rubber handle on the ring. The rings seem nice and sturdy, which is great, because most of the rings, they don't hold all your measuring cups together. Comes with a pair of tongs. And here's the scale. So let's open it up. And it came with batteries and everything. So I'm going to go ahead and set up the scale, and we're going to go ahead and use it. Everything came very nicely packaged. Everything came nicely packaged and it arrived quickly. So let's go ahead and check it out. So for this recipe, we have to measure and then sift the flour. So when you read the recipes, you have to pay attention. If it tells you to weigh coma then sift, that means to weigh then sift. So first thing we're going to need to do is turn on our scale, and this is also a tutorial on how to use your scale. So let me get the scale right here. So you're going to turn on the scale, and then we're going to place our container on that we're going to be using to weigh. Okay. I also have the unit set to grams because we're working in grams. So after you place your bowl on top, we're going to hit the T, or what this function is called is tare, and it means to just take the weight of it to 0 as if nothing's there. So that way you're actually weighing the ingredient, not the bowl and the ingredient. So we're going to need 130 grams of powdered sugar. Okay, so we're there at 130 grams. And then the flour, we're going to do the same thing. I'm just going to put my bowl on top. I'm going to hit the tare function, hit the tare button. And then we're going to need 320 grams of all-purpose flour. We're not using stuffed rising flour, not cake flour, not pastry flour, not wheat flour, just plain flour. You can use bleached and unbleached flour. So 320 grams. And I prefer to really weigh my ingredients. When you weigh, you're gonna have the same exact product every single time. And then we're gonna weigh our butter. So we got our butter. So in my bowl here, I'm going to sift in my powdered sugar. Just using my sifter. You see those lumps? This is what the sifter helps us prevent. Little grains of lumps of sugar or things we don't want in our final product. So we're going to put in the butter. Then we're going to cream the two together. We're just going to cream it for about a minute. We don't have to cream it for too long because we're making cookies. Now generally you'll need to stop your machine and scrape it down, but because of my particular machine I don't have to. It scrapes it on really good. So I'm going to turn the machine to low. I'm going to add 1 whole egg. The egg is at room temperature. Just going to mix it so the egg is completely combined. Now I'm going to add my vanilla flavoring. And I'm going to stop the machine. I'm going to put in all the flour. Slowly combine everything. Now I'm going to mix it so everything is combined. Now it's all crumbly right now. Then I'm going to add, finally, my milk. The milk is important because it brings the batter together, our cookie dough together, and helps it pipe smooth. So that's it. Then I'm going to scrape the machine down now. And let's see, I didn't have to worry about scraping my bowl because everything's combined. But your particular model, if you're not using the Geek Chef or you don't have a paddle scraper attachment, you need to definitely scrape in between mixing very well. So I'm using Wilton tip number 1M. I'm only baking a few of these. So that's why I don't have a large piece of parchment on my sheet tray here. So we're going to fill our pastry bag with the cookie dough. Shake the cookie dough down and then simply pipe it through the bag. Just press out and it pipes perfectly. So I'm going to take a little bit of the cookie dough and just pipe a little bit on under the parchment paper. This just helps the parchment paper stick. So it doesn't slide around. So all I'm going to do is just pipe little swirls. Now you can pipe it this way as well. Like a little circle, you can do that too. So this is going to go in the preheated 400-degree oven for about 9 to 10 minutes. I'm going to rotate the pan halfway between baking time. Here's our cookies. I garnished it with the mint bloom from my garden, and I baked the cookies for exactly 10 minutes. And after they were in the oven for 4.5 minutes, I just went in the oven, took the actual cookie sheet, and I just rotated it and let it bake for another 4.5 minutes. Rotating the pan ensures that the cookies bake evenly. So you see how beautiful they are. They're nice golden brown around the edges. Now I'm gonna break open. I don't know if you can hear it. It's not too hard. Just break it in half. And you see the inside of it. It's perfect. Now guys, I'm going to tell you guys a secret. Delicious. I baked these cookies. The actual filming process that you saw, I baked them, but I'm just now filming the end, and it's been 4 days later. I kept them in a bowl, glass bowl with saran wrap around it, keep all the air out, because I wanted to show you guys that these will hold up for quite some time. But they're perfect. They have a nice soft crunch to it. The texture is crumbly. It's perfect. Please add this video to your playlist, and if you have any questions or comments or requests, leave that. I'm definitely trying to help you guys out. If you guys are interested in the scale, check the description box so you find out about the scale. I'm going to have a giveaway coming for that scale, and I just want to say the scale works perfectly. Thank you all so much for your support, and thank you all who purchased items from my wish list on my Amazon. Thank you very much. You all have been so wonderful to me, and I just can't express how grateful I am. I'm going through a lot of things, and I really appreciate all of you. So please continue to watch my videos, like, share, because this will help me tremendously, because I would like to really accomplish something really major. Thank you all so much for watching With Sugary Sweet, where we're going to make the world a little bit sweeter.